Hello everyone, and hope you guys going well. So today I'm gonna show you how to delete a property in Notion, and that's pretty simple. So to delete a property in Notion, go to the page where your database is located, and it can be anything as like table, board, gallery. So open the database, and here you can find out a lot of your property and select the properties that you are gonna to be deleted. And in the last option, you can select the option delete property. But before delete the property, you just need to mind that if you delete the property once, it cannot be undone. And all of the data that you have included in this property, it will be deleted. So if you think it may be necessary for the next time, you can duplicate the property or you can edit the property according to necessary. So if you are confirmed, simply select the option delete property and confirm it by select delete option. And there's a way how we can delete a property. So what about if you want to add a new property? Simply tap on this three dot option and select the option properties. And in here we can search for a property or we can look for a new property from here. You'll find out a lot of property in here. You can select the property that you need for, or you can always add a new property. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion and keep in touch with us.